In the late 1800s, Christopher Ranch began as a labor of love by Ollie Christopher, a Danish immigrant, among the rich soils of the Santa Clara Valley in California. Since then, the family and the farming tradition has continued to grow, now selling to an international market. Among these offerings of Christopher Ranch is their signature garlic, Mon Viso. The importance of quality and safety is at the highest degree. Great lengths are taken to ensure all products are manufactured to the highest standards of quality, food safety, and sanitation. So when a documentary earlier this year tried to spoil their reputation, Christopher Ranch went to work to protect their product, their employees, and their good name in the market.
We're outraged by the production of this piece of pseudo-journalism. They completely misrepresented us. They lumped us together with foreign garlic producers that engage in corrupt practices. We're a proud American company and not this hostile entity they made us out to be.
Christopher Ranch's executive team worked quickly to understand the level of impact the misinformation would have on their business if it was believed by the market and how best to message against it.
Agriculture is a unique industry in that we're pretty new to the social media space. We learned the hard way that false information can spread like wildfire when propagated by trusted media outlets.
Nuvi has been providing the Christopher Ranch team real-time social analysis on the conversations that are impacting their business. Not only have they been able to target and monitor the existing conversations about their brand, but also have been able to monitor the social reactions to their responses and the positive actions taken since the debut of this documentary.
We use Nuvi to analyze these conversations in real time and address the concerns or the confusion of these viewers. In addressing these concerns, we're able to turn viewers that may have had an adversarial approach into advocates for our farm. We've been taking corrective actions over the last couple of months and have found the reception to be pretty positive. Because of ease of use of the platform, my team and I are able to measure sentiment, we're able to monitor social conversations, and we're able to identify key influencers in those conversations. We have a great story to tell, and for the first time, we have the tools to build and manage an effective social media campaign, and that's thanks to Nuvi.